Good day everyone, my name is Brian A. Fuentes from BIT31 Automotive Set A. Today's topic is catalytic converter. Introduction. A catalytic converter is an important device found in the exhaust system of most modern vehicles. Its main purpose is to reduce harmful emissions produced by the engine before they are released into the environment. Because of this function, catalytic converters play a significant role in controlling air pollution and protecting human health. What is a catalytic converter? A catalytic converter is a metal container located between the engine and the muffler of a vehicle. Inside, it is a ceramic or metallic honeycomb structure coated with precious metals such as platinum, palladium, and rhodium. These metals act as catalysts, meaning they speed up chemical reactions without being consumed in the process. Ang main purpose ng catalytic converter ay i-lessen ang harmful emissions na dinudulot ng mga sasakyan mula sa makina nito into environment upang sa ganon ay malesen ang air pollution. Ang catalytic converter ay naglalaman ng 3 main pollutants na nililinis ng converter. And these are the carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and nitrogen oxides. Ang carbon monoxide ay isang poisonous gas na nakakapinsala sa katawan ng tao na mas nakakabahala kung umabot pa ito sa environment. And ang hydrocarbons naman ay ito ang mga unburned fuel na kadalasan may kita natin sa exhaust na kapag hinawakan ang tip or dulo na exhaust ay itim. Nitrogen oxides naman ay nabubuo kapag nagsama ang nitrogen at ang oxygen sa mainit na temperatura ng makina. May dalawang uri ng catalytic converter. Two-way catalytic converter at three-way catalytic converter. Ang two-way catalytic converter ay nagre-reduce ng carbon monoxide at hydrocarbons. At ang three-way catalytic converter naman ay kagaya lang din ng two-way catalytic converter. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila ay ang three-way catalytic converter ay nagre-reduce ang nitrogen oxides na nilalabas ng exhaust. Importance of catalytic converters. Catalytic converters are important because they reduce air population, help prevent respiratory diseases, protect the environment, help vehicles meet emission standards set by the government. In conclusion, the catalytic converter is a vital component of modern vehicles. It helps reduce harmful emissions, improve air quality, and protects both the environment and human health. Understanding how it works allows us to appreciate its role in creating a cleaner and safer world. That's all for the catalytic converter, and I thank you.